Oh my gosh, you guys, I just made it to the dollar store and I can't believe I'm doing the 24-hour challenge.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually very excited to only use dollar store products for 24 hours. I feel like I'm going to fail, but I'm going to try my best. But first we have to go to the dollar store and grab a couple of things. And then once we are done, I'll show you guys the products that I'm going to use throughout the day. But before we go, I have to show you guys my outfit. So here's my outfit, you guys. It's super cozy and cute. The reason why I'm wearing this today is because we are staying home pretty much all day. The only time I'm going out is to take you guys with me to the dollar store real quick just to grab a couple of things so I can do this challenge. But this top is actually from my favorite store, which is Victoria's Secret. They're having their semi-annual sale, so I only paid $10 for it. The reason why I like it is because it's white and gray, so it matches everything. And of course I paired it with my favorite leggings off Amazon, so priced at $15, and they also have other colors as well. But anyways, now it's time to go shopping at the dollar store.
So I just made it to the dollar store, you guys, and I'm looking for some coffee cups because you know I make my coffee every single morning. This one says make today amazing. That is so cute. The one next to it says drink up. These would actually match our kitchen. I like this one too, so rise and grind. And the last one they have says adventure fuel. All of these are so cute. Which one is your favorite? Please let me know. I just love what this one says, but too bad they don't have a pink one, you know. But this will match our kitchen, so I'm going to get it. I can't believe you get two of them. Really good deal. I only use a wet brush, you guys, and I know I have to use a hairbrush from here, so I guess I'll look for a pink one. This one kind of looks promising. It has glitter on the top, but I'm pretty sure these are not comparable to the wet brushes. I'm kind of scared, but it looks like everyone buys this one out. It's a very beautiful shade of pink. I guess I'll give this one a go. And here are the other pink ones. This one's super soft, but do you guys like these hairbrushes? Please let me know. I might as well get the shower comb too, so it's a hot pink color. So I just made it to the coffee section, and look what I just found, you guys. I'm not sure if it's good, but the packaging is super cute. It says light and effortless, so we will see about that. So it's actually a medium roast, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to love it, but it only comes with 4 for $1, which is kind of a rip-off. I always buy my K-cups in bulk, but let's just cross our fingers that this one works out for me. So I had a lot of fun shopping at the dollar store, and I can't wait to use these products tomorrow. So the challenge doesn't start until tomorrow morning because I have to use only dollar store makeup products, and I'll take you guys throughout my day, so it's more of like a vlog style. But right now I'm just showing you guys some products that I will use tomorrow. So the first thing that I grab is a rainbow chip cake. Like, this looks so good, you guys, and it has 370 calories. So I'm probably going to have a bite or two and then just give the rest to Evelyn. She is going to love this. But all you do is just put the ingredients in a mug and then you put in the microwave, so it's pretty easy. But I'll show you guys how I make this just in case you've never had this. But it also includes the frosting, and I could only find the rainbow chip cake. I was hoping to see like the brownie one, but next time I do this challenge I'll look for it. But it says that you just put in the microwave for a minute, but I can't wait to show you guys the end result tomorrow. It seriously looks so good, and I want to try it today, but I can't. So I'm not sure what we are making tomorrow, but I got these oven mitts. It's so pretty. It has a marble print, says dream, and the other one says believe. Super cute. But I also bought the matching pot holders. So if you guys remember in my previous dollar store video, I got ones that said inspired. So nice, but they were actually out of the oven mitt, so I'm glad that I found these today. But these two just say dream, so it's really nice, and hopefully I can find some more the next time I go. But you guys will see me use this tomorrow because I like to cook dinner, and I just love these, you guys, and it's dark gray on the back, so I can't wait to use them. I also showed you guys a bunch of brushes in the dollar store today, but I decided to go ahead and get this one because I noticed everyone was grabbing this specific one. So I'm hoping that this works out for me because my hair is pretty dry and it's super thick. I'm also going to use the microfiber hair wrap. So I got the color pink because I recently did a pink challenge. So if you missed that shopping spree, definitely check it out. But hopefully this ends up working out for me as well. I also have a bath glove, so it's the color pink. I showed you guys this in my previous video too. I can't wait to give this one a go. I also had to get this cup and bowl for my daughter, so I'm going to give her cereal tomorrow and then whatever she wants in her cup. I can't wait to try out this coffee right here. So usually I get Starbucks 2 times caffeine, wine. So hopefully this one has a really good flavor, but it says it's medium roast and it's light and effortless, so we will see about that. But the packaging is pink, you guys, super cute. I just had to pick this one up. I also showed you guys a bunch of cups too, so I decided to get the one that says drink up. Honestly, I wish they had a pink one because I would have picked that one up instead, but that's okay. This one is going to match our kitchen, and hopefully these last a while. But it says it's dishwasher safe and microwave safe. Usually dollar products you have to hand wash, so I think it's really cool that you can do that.
So if you guys want to see how the challenge goes, then definitely keep on watching. Good morning, you guys. So every single morning I always take a shower, and I decided for this video to go ahead and use the Eco Tools sponge. So I'm going to use the white one because it's aloe, and I always use the bamboo one at night. So the first product that I want to try out is the hairbrush. So honestly, I'm kind of scared to try this because my hair is super thick and dry. I really need to use this Garnier product, you guys, because the hairbrush is seriously so rough on my hair. Now it's time to move on to the microfiber towel. So it's pink, you guys, super cute.
I've tried many hair wraps, and this one isn't great if you have thick hair like mine. Like, my hair keeps falling out of it, and I had to put my hair in a bun, which isn't going to make it dry, you know. So I'm just gonna take this off, you guys. Please don't pick this up if you have thick hair, but if you have short hair, then go. So I have to brush my hair again, you guys, and it's super easy to do because I use this Garnier product. Please pick it up for only $5, especially if you want to get a dollar brush. You need something like this, so it just makes it easier to brush your hair in the morning. But whenever I use this with my wet brush, it's seriously a dream. If you want a wet brush, definitely go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls. They have them priced at like, I think $10, and usually they're priced at $15 to $20, but it's definitely worth it. Mine has lasted me forever, I feel like. I have 3 of them. They're super cute, and I always get a deal on them, so just check out those stores and see if you can find one. But until then, this one isn't that bad. I think it's definitely worth $1, but I'm very happy that I tried this out for $5. Like, seriously, the best hair product that I've ever bought, because my hair is so soft right now, and you just air dry, you guys. You don't have to use a hair wrap or a towel because it actually damages your hair, especially mine because it is thick and I have to like twist it very badly and put in a bun. Like, you want to brush your hair out, spray this, let it air dry, and then you're good to go. But anyways, now it's time to put some makeup on.
So here are the makeup products that I'm going to use today. So everything is from the dollar store, and to be honest with you guys, I own a lot of dollar store makeup. Since I just took a shower, you guys, I'm going to use this clip to push my hair back. And you guys know I like to use a lip scrub and lip oil before I put makeup on. It just helps moisturize my lips. And I seriously love this face primer. If you guys see it, definitely pick it up. And recently I've been loving the Wet n Wild foundation as well. So this one is light beige. So in my previous dollar store video, I showed you guys a new e.l.f. concealer, but this one is way better for $1. It also includes a highlighter too. This highlighter is seriously so beautiful, you guys, so I'm using quartz. So moving on to eyeshadow, this palette is seriously one of my favorites. It's so pigmented, and I actually got this in Florida, so I really miss the dollar stores there. They seriously have the best stuff, but I haven't found this palette yet in Texas, but I'll keep you guys updated on my Instagram stories. And this mascara is also one of my favorites, you guys, so only $1, but keep in mind it's super small.
So moving on to lip liner and lipstick. So the lip liner is from the brand Wet n Wild, and the lipstick is the brand LA Colors. I haven't seen the loose face and body shimmer in a very long time, so I hope that you guys bought it before, but it's really good. It's finally time to make some coffee, you guys, and look at the packaging, it's so cute. And of course I'm grabbing my favorite coffee mug. It says love at first bite. So this coffee smells really strong, you guys, and honestly it smells pretty good too. I also noticed that many of you guys asked me where I got my pink Keurig, so I'll put a link down below. I think it's like $100 on Amazon.
So that coffee tasted so gross. It says that it's a medium roast, but it tastes like a dark roast, and it also tastes like it's very old, so I don't recommend. I highly recommend the Starbucks 2 times caffeine ones from Walmart. Like, it's $10 for like 20 pods or something like that, but it's seriously so good. And I just add a little bit of creamer because I am watching my calories. It's a really good coffee, but that one was just terrible. So once again, just don't pick it up. But right now I'm actually going to get dressed.
So here's the outfit that I'm going to wear today. So the top is from the dollar store, like I told you guys earlier. It's so nice and oversized, so I actually got a size medium. I probably should have got a size large if I really want to tie it up, but I guess I'll just leave it how it is because we are just staying home. But if I was going out, I probably would make this into a crop top and just tie the middle all the way. But it's really nice, you guys, because of the front pocket, and it looks really good with the leggings that I'm wearing today. So I have 3 of these from Amazon. They're seriously so comfortable. I probably wear this like every other day. You guys probably notice it, but I can't help myself. They're seriously my favorite pair of leggings, and the price is so good as well. But now it's time to make some dinner, so I'm thinking about making chili. I will let you guys know the ingredients that I use and everything, so let's go ahead and do that. So if I'm using the slow cooker, I always start dinner at noon. So what I'm going to make today is chili. It's super easy to make. So the recipe calls for dried tomatoes, and you also have to get light red kidney beans and 2 things of tomato paste. I recently bought this strainer from the dollar store, and I used it over the other one that I paid $10 for. So not bad for $1, you guys. So I just put the girls down for a nap, and once Evelyn wakes up, I'm probably going to make her a bowl of cereal. And I forgot to use these cups this morning, so I'm actually going to make my favorite cold brew. And I will use these pot holders tonight, and of course the oven mitts are so cute. I will show you guys how these look in my kitchen later on. I can't forget to use this bath glove tonight as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot that I bought this. So the rainbow chip cake, I'm going to share this with Evelyn. She's going to love it. Now it's time to show you guys the pot holders and the oven mitts. It looks so good in the kitchen, but I would love to know what you guys think. And Evelyn just got up from a nap, so now it's time to make her a bowl of cereal. And I'm also giving her blueberry lemonade. She loves it, you guys. And I think it's pretty good too. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm super tired today, so I decided to go ahead and make cold brew. So I'm using whipping cream and milk. You also have to get vanilla syrup, but I'm making a video showing you guys how to exactly make a vanilla sweet cream cold brew. So definitely stay tuned for that video.
I'm actually very excited to make this cake. It looks so good. And don't you guys love my coffee mug? It says hello gorgeous. So I tried this, you guys. It's seriously amazing. I can't wait to find the brownie one. It's been a while since I've talked to you guys, but I'm very tired even after drinking that cold brew. But right now I'm actually going to use the facial wipes, the watermelon and aloe that I got from the dollar store. And after I'm done using the facial wipes, I will go ahead and put a paper facial mask on. Hopefully this makes me feel better. Ever since we moved to Texas, like, my allergies are so bad, so I'm having a really bad headache right now. But let me go ahead and take off my foundation and then I can put this on. I know I told you guys this in my last video, but it smells so good. You have to pick this up. But keep in mind, it's not going to take off waterproof makeup, but it will take off like blush and foundation. I'm just taking off my foundation for right now and taking off the rest of my makeup later on. So this face mask is making me feel better for some reason. I feel like I need to take like a hot shower or something. Here we go. So on the packaging it says keep it on for 3 to 5 minutes, wipe off everything with a damp cloth, and it says that your face will feel more moist and smooth after using. So I can't wait for that. I feel like I need something. I wish this was lavender because lavender just helps with like headaches and help you relax. That face mask made my face feel so soft, but I will say the facial wipes didn't take off all of my makeup, so you guys probably still see the concealers. So what I'm going to do right now is take a hot shower and just end the night watching Lost with my husband, and of course eat some popcorn. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for me, and definitely let me know the videos that you guys want to see in the future, and I'll talk to you guys more in the next one.